Khelo India Center, KIC Riboy, and Mera Yuva Bharat, My Bharat Riboy will observe International Women's Day with an athletics competition on March 7 at Khelo India Center, Marngar. It is a unique initiative to celebrate women in sports. Nationwide Athletics League at 250 locations across the country, of which 3 is in Meghalaya, 1 in Riboy, 1 in Nongson, and 1 in Williamnagar, will be held under the Union Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports ASMITA program, which stands for Achieving Sports Milestone by Inspiring Women Through Action program, to celebrate International Women's Day in advance on March 7 and 8. This initiative aims to boost women's participation in sports and identify talents across districts ahead of major global events. On International Women's Day, the sporting events focusing on athletics will be held at Riboy, at Nongpo, the KIC Center, in 100 meters, 200 meters, and 400 meters across the age groups of under 13 to 18 years, and 18 plus categories. Each venue will have 5 technical officials, multiple volunteers, a competition manager, and a district youth officer who will ensure that the records of the finalists and the winners are recorded on the ASMITA portal, Khelo India portal, which will be used by site to pick up young talents. My Bharat Riboy and KIC Riboy, we are inviting women and girls across all the eligible age categories to participate in the event to be organized on 7 March at Khelo India Center, Marngar. And all the interested participants are informed to register themselves in advance on My Bharat portal as a youth volunteer, as a youth, and then apply for the event on the portal itself under the link International Women's Day. On the day, we will have offline registration as well, and age verification will be conducted, and therefore all the youths and public in the district are encouraged to register and actively participate in this initiative of the Government of India International Women's Day ASMITA League on 7 March at Riboy Nongpo KIC Center. Thank you.
Nakaliang Khelo India coach, but office my parent, Hakajingya Trelang, but Khelo India Center, ni pynlong yak ASMITA Athletic League. Ban pynlong yaka International Women's Day. But yakane ka jing rakhe and pynlong ka madan marngar ka ban long ha new tarik March 2026. Hakane ka jing rakhe yakane ka ASMITA League and pynlong yaka jingya lekai athletic kan thup yaka 6 meter, aspa meter, south meter, but ka fun game yaka tug of war. Kumta ni khot snobha yaki samla kan thei but kelong mi ya kanika jingya lekai ni thia ya ka lai benta under 13 under 18 but above 18 kiba wan shakmat ha kane ka jingya lekai lengba ka Khelo India kila ban sim ban jit ban late trial society sport authority of India ni ken tu ya ki khna samla kan thei but kelong mi when sim benta ya kanika jingya lekai International Women's Day. Nakabenta penrung keteng bad register yalade hakane phila ban lecha portal My Bharat. Hakane ka jingya rakhe International Women's Day kum ka sibenta ban kot ka khia namta bar of Ibril. Te kumta kane kapor ban reporting time jo kane kapor new budget step. Kulay chuman.